your girl mishaelbankz, and today I'll be doing an hair vlog, and I'll also be giving you guys a tutorial on how to make cornrows yourself. So first of all, I'm going to be taking out these cornrows and I'll be washing my hair, then we'll get right into the tutorial. This has been a while since I used my hair myself. Most of the times I usually go to the salon and they do everything for me. They lose my hair, they wash my hair, and they braid my hair. But I think it's kind of relaxing to just do all of this therapy yourself, because you're the one doing it. And you also be able to take care of your hair, like you'll be able to take good care of your hair very well, because I noticed that my hair has been cutting lately and I really want to maintain a very good hair care routine, and I'll be showing you guys some of my secret hair care tips on how to grow your hair and your edges and all of this stuff. So soft and easy to comb out. Finally done losing my hair, so let's go and wash it. So I'll be taking my hair care kit with me, which is my shampoo, my comb, and my conditioner. So I'll be going outside to wash my hair. So come on. So as I said, I'll be going with my shampoo, and it's right here. My conditioner. I'm just going to put them inside the bag, so it will be easy for me to carry along as I go out. So guys, my hair is dry, and not too dry because I really want it soft so that when I'm parting it will be easy for me. So I'm just going to portion my hair for today, then tomorrow I will continue with the vlog. I'm going to portion them down so they won't get tangled tomorrow morning when I want to plait them. Everyone, this is the end of today's video. Tomorrow I'll be showing you how to make cornrows yourself. 7:30 now, and I have to finish up for tonight and get to bed. So we'll continue our vlog tomorrow, and I'll be showing you how I'll be making cornrows by myself. So today I just washed and did this twist just for the meantime, so it won't be hard for me to whip my hair tomorrow. So this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're a newbie. Don't forget to put a like and turn on the notification button so you get notified when I drop a post on my YouTube. Thank you very much.